Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add jQuery to your HTML file. So that first of all, you have to go to the web browser and search jQuery, jQuery download. Click on here, and you can see you can click on this download jQuery. Under the download section in jQuery website, scroll down. As you see, release.jQuery. Click on here. I'll leave this link for you guys to make it easier. Under that, you can select the jQuery version that you want to add it into your file. Simply, I'm going to add jQuery 3.7.1. Click in minified, and you will show a small window and copy this. I copied it to my clipboard. Then go back to code it. I am using Visual Studio Code. In here, simply press Ctrl and V. It is actually, as you see, I am added my jQuery to my HTML file. You guys can also do the same thing and simply add jQuery library to a HTML file. I'll leave the link to get the jQuery file. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much.